Hi, and welcome to the Codefresh Chronicles Academy Edition. Today, I will show you the new pipeline runtime permission. In the past, the permission for a pipeline were pretty much all or nothing when it was time to change anything. So here I have a pipeline where this user has only basically run permission. So I can run my pipeline, and it's running. However, when it comes time to change anything in the setting, there is not much I can do because I do not have updates. So if I want to change, like the size of my setting, I cannot, I get an error. The issue with that is, it means if I want to give permission for my user to modify the pipeline code, which a lot of people do, it means I also give them access to, change a runtime and pick up way bigger machine, which incur a cost, or, use different runtime. So how do you do that? How do you change that aspect? So we've introduced pipeline runtime permission. So in my case, I have two pipeline runtime, one called CSDP with a demo tag and one large that I want basically to reserve in this case to my SRE team. So if I come to my permission here, I can basically define the team, and the user we were looking at is part of my run-only team. And I can basically say, use any runtime that have the demo tag. It means those users would be able to use my CSDP one, but not the large one. And then I can go to my pipeline rule. And as you can see here, I have my run-only team that can debug, read, and run. So now I'm going to give them update permission. And as you can see, those become available. And I can say, I can set the runtime environment. So let's apply that. And now if I come back to that page, and let's refresh, now I can assign the CSDP one because I have permission, but not the large one. The same thing, I can give permission to change the pack I want, as well as those size here, but I don't have permission to do that because my admin, in this case, didn't give me permission to modify the resource or set the cloud build. So let's do that to give a little more permission to my user, and let's refresh again. So now I can change the permission, I can change the environment, and I can modify my permission. So it means you can now give a little more permission to your user to modify their pipeline, but not have access to the environment where it's running. So not using too much memory, or using the large machine being for the runtime or for the cloud credit. So that's basically what the new pipeline runtime permission give you. So give it a try and let us know what you think. Thank you.